Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart to find sum of n consecutive numbers of a given number. For example, x is the number and n is the range. X is the number, n is the range. We have to find the sum of n consecutive numbers of x. For this, we will draw a flowchart. So this is the logical start of the flowchart. I am obtaining the number x and the range n as the input. So input x comma n. Here I am initializing set sum equal to 0 comma I equal to x plus 1. So I am initializing a variable sum equal to 0, I equal to x plus 1. That is the next value of the input number x. Next, I am checking if I less than or equal to n plus 1. I less than or equal to n plus 1. If it is true, if it is true, I am adding sum equal to existing value of sum plus the value of I. Existing of sum plus the value of I. So next, I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. Again, I am connecting back to the decision symbol loop. So I am initializing I equal to x plus 1, sum equal to 0. I am checking if I less than or equal to n plus 1. That is, n is the range, n plus 1. I less than or equal to n plus 1. I am adding the value of I with the existing value of sum, and I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. The loop will go, this iteration will go until I less than or equal to n plus 1. If I less than or equal to n plus 1 is false, that means I greater than n plus 1. In such a case, I am coming out, so it is false. In such a case, I am coming out of the loop and I am printing the value in the sum. Print sum, and I am ending this flowchart. This is the logical end of the flowchart. So start, I am obtaining the input x. X is the number, n is the range from the user. I am initializing sum equal to 0, I equal to x plus 1. Set is a keyword for the initialization. I am checking I less than or equal to n plus 1. If the condition is true, I am adding the value of I with the existing value of sum. I am storing it in the variable sum, and I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. Again, I am checking condition if I less than or equal to n plus 1. If it is true, again the value of I will get added with the existing value of sum and I will get incremented. So this loop will go until I less than or equal to n plus 1. So it is false. When I is greater than n plus 1, We are coming out of this loop and printing the value which is stored in the sum, and this is the logical end of the flowchart. Now we will take a sample input and check how this flowchart works. Okay, so here what I am doing, for x I am giving 1, for n I am giving 4, range equal to 4. That means I have to find the sum of next 4 consecutive numbers of 1. So what are the next 4 consecutive numbers of 1? That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. The value is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So if my flowchart produce this result 14, then my flowchart is correct. That means the logic in the flowchart is correct. Now we will check the flow of the flowchart. So x equal to 1, n equal to 4. The value of sum equal to 0, I equal to x plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. I am checking I, that is 2 less than or equal to n plus 1. N is 4, n plus 1 is 5. So the condition is true. Sum equal to sum plus I. That means existing value of sum plus I. Sum equal to, what is the existing value of sum? That is 0. 0, what is the value of I? Which is 2. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Next, I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to, existing value of I is 2. Okay, this is 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. I am checking the condition. So next iteration, I am checking the condition. 3 less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. Sum equal to sum plus y. Sum equal to, existing value of sum is 2 plus value of I is 3 which is equal to 5. Now I am incrementing I by 1. So I equal to, existing value of I is 3 plus 1 which is equal to 4. So next iteration, I am checking the value of I, 4 less than or equal to n plus 1, that is 5. Condition is true. Sum equal to, existing value of sum is 5 plus value of I which is 4 which is equal to 9. I am incrementing I by 1. So I equal to 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. Next iteration, I am checking the condition I, that means 5 less than or equal to n plus 1. N is 4, 4 plus 1 which is 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. So sum equal to, existing value of sum is 9 plus value of I equal to 5. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. Existing value of I is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. My I is 6. Okay. So now the condition I am checking I 6 less than or equal to n plus 1, that is 5. Condition is false. The control will come out of the flowchart and print sum. My output is 14. So this is which is same as the sum of next 4 consecutive numbers of the value 1. So answer is correct. My flowchart is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.